This being super cool aside, would you think that this is the most energetically efficient way to walk? If you consider the height of the head staying relatively stationary, would you think that from a gravitational potential energy perspective, that this is the most efficient way? So let's start with the perspective of the gravitational potential energy, the GPE. So it's actually not determined by how much vertical displacement you have for your head, but rather for your entire body center of mass. A lot of times people tend to associate with the center of mass position as a fixed point on your body, but really it depends on the entire configuration of your body. So when he's doing this sort of duck walk on the little pillars, his center of mass is actually higher than when he's just standing still because more of his mass is further off the ground. So yes, even though it looks like his head is not gaining any vertical positions, his center of mass is still increasing and decreasing, so he's doing some sort of work against gravity in that scenario. And then there's also the perspective of joint forces and joint moments, because it does take more energy for you to generate torques from your muscles when it's more bent, right? That's why, doing a full squat is harder than doing a quarter squat, sort to say. But overall, this is still a super cool demonstration of the sort of the trade-off, right, between vertical center mass displacement and limb length, which is something I do cover in my biomechanics class coming up.